Hey my friends, I just took an English exam today. It was a nationwide English proficiency test. In the morning, there was the CET 4, which means College English Test Band 4. In the afternoon, there was the CET 6. I took the CET 6. A friend asked me the other day why so many Chinese people can speak English. Well, in China, children start learning two languages from elementary school, Chinese and English. I began learning English in the third grade when I was only 10 years old. Throughout junior high school, and college, we have entrance exams for further education. Those who have high scores can enter schools with better resources. English scores are an important part of these exams, accounting for the same proportion as Chinese. Chinese education places more emphasis on English reading, listening, and writing, with almost no focus on spoken English. When I was young, I didn't like learning English, essentially because I didn't like the traditional teaching methods, which I found too boring. Later on, I started to explore some excellent English words, including music, movies, and American TV shows, and gradually began to reteach myself English. I hate doing English exercises. Instead, I prefer using English to communicate with others and to explain the world as I understand it. I think many Chinese students share the same mindset as me. They don't like the traditional way of learning English. However, it cannot be denied that traditional Chinese education has indeed helped us build a foundation in English, enabling us to continue learning on our own at any time.